hit notification and subscribe.
Bro. Where's the cameraman at, bro?
The cameraman's a freaking drone. Oh, watch out.
Whoa!
That nigga. Oh, there's human beings.
Get off the train.
Whoa!
Ouch.
The combos! This dude is raw!
Ma'am, get up and run.
She almost got chainsawed on accident.
Move!
She's in shock, Shira.
Listen, I don't want
She's
to hear
in shock.
Bro, he was precise.
Uh-oh. Hiten Mitsurugi style? Can we
ban that move?
Oh, you got cut already.
His other arm.
So much. Yeah.
Shit, this is crazy.
Did he stop that?
He cut his head off? Wow.
Okay.
Just needs a little bit of WD-40, that's all.
Just needs a little WD-40. Good lord.
He went for his head.
What?
Oh!
What?
What? Oh, he put.
Wow.
He made one come out of his leg? Yo!
He dies every episode. I don't want to hear one person on Twitter complaining about this. I swear I'll hire a bomb squad or a hitman to come find you. You better not be complaining about this. He could fly? Oh my god, you saw how good that looked? Why does this shit like this happen on the A train in New York? I'm waiting for this to happen. Instead, we get people doing fucking handstands and head spins. I don't want to see that. I want to see somebody step on the train with a katana fighting a chainsaw, ripping each other apart. Please. That would be nice in New York. We need more of that. I wouldn't run away. This is like the best entertainment I've seen. This guy's on the loudspeaker as if the main character battle's not happening on his train. Katana Man better not die, or I'm gonna die. Is he gonna protect her? Oh yeah, it's a woman, so he's definitely gonna protect her. If that was an old man, fuck him. Let him die. That's what See, I would have been surprised if that was any other character. But it's Denji, and he dies about 3 times an episode, so it's fine. He has plot armor. What is he? Can we ban that move? Oh my god! What is it? The swords are revealing light? Keep yap. What the? Like, how the fuck does he? That's like an anime thing. They just disappear. Can we ban that move? Oh, he knows he's in anime at least. He's dead. He's dead again. He's dead again. No arms again. Can't even tatakai anymore. He's not going to apologize for your granddad. I don't even know who he is. You think I'm going to apologize for a side character I kill? No. They don't even have a name. His name is Granddad. What is he going to say? He's going to say something I would say. Oh, the music. Oh, that is so beautiful. I think I'm turned on. That's just beautiful. Oh my god. Yes! I'm gonna have a heart attack. Wait, what did he just do? Is this an anime thing where he's about to spit blood now? Didn't Granddad? Did you, bro? Fuck! What, does he have a Granddad kink? What is he about to do? Why is the OST different? Back! No way! I told you! I know this shit now!
Oh, dude.
Oh my gosh. I hope no one gets hurt on the train. Oh. What did I just say?
Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Dude, Denji's really struggling against this dude.
Katana's too strong. Oh, get out of there. Crap.
He protected her. Oh shit!
Oh, he's too fast.
He sliced him. He sliced him.
Surely not.
Yeah.
Oh, the other arm. He's just got his head now.
No.
I don't think so.
That's right.
The work ethic is strong.
He's got his head. We've seen him do it before.
Yeah.
What happened? What happened?
Katana Man's stuffed up now.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
What?
Did he get some blood or something? Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
You're trash.
Damn. Crazy fight.
I know. This Katana Devil is really good. Damn. Imagine you're just chilling one day and just something like that pops into
I
your
would be
life.
shook.
What the heck?
What is life?
Damn, got his arm cut. Damn it, Denji. Can we ban that move? Damn, I wonder if Denji's gonna have his own special move because this guy keeps using the same move.
Damn.
But it's like a samurai, like he's using a katana, he's just swiping through. Damn, Denji, you need special moves too.
With your head? Legs? Yeah. Damn, he's gonna have whiplash after this.
Did he block it? I think he blocked it, right?
I think he did because I don't.
Oh my gosh. Denji. Thanks for that.
Oh!
Oh, he cut him.
Damn, he like sliced him in half.
What?
Right down the middle.
Oh, he has it on his legs. Yo, he cut him with his legs.
Ooh, damn. Woo! Okay, I was afraid he was gonna like pull a dirty move on him because whenever they're like, you can't beat me, and then something else happens. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Just imagine being on a train and then, oh. Protect the woman. Ooh, just imagine if he would have cut her up. I hate when he does that. Yeah, exactly. Freaking cheap move. Oh no. You gonna just fight with your head? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude's insane. You okay? Okay, not good. Wait, what? Wait. Whoa? Whoa! What? Denji! Woo! What the heck? Dude!
Ugh, that's not a good look.
No.
Guard up.
The people! Get out of this compartment.
How did he not fall on somebody?
Due to an incident. Fuck!
Yeah, due to an incident, 2 fucking blade men. Careful.
Come on, Denji.
How do you uppercut with that shit?
What is wrong with Denji?
They're just fighting like regular. What do you? Bitch, get the fuck out of here when you get off the floor.
Okay, Denji doesn't have the most.
Ah! I'm so sorry. I hit the mic. I wasn't ready for that.
I'm so sorry, ma'am.
Training out of, no, he has new training. What am I talking about? You got new training, bro.
She got blood in her mouth. Whoa,
Chainsaw
what
his
kind
face.
of Tim Tebow pose is that?
Okay.
Yeah.
He hit, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bro,
That's not fair.
he got you again.
This bitch.
No.
He did it himself.
Fuck
He was-
him.
Killed me, chopped me up.
Yeah, he was also a fucking Yakuza, bro. Shut
Fuck
up.
your dad and fuck you too.
I was indebted to him like my entire life.
Yo, couch.
Come on, get the foot saws out.
No, it's dick penis. Dick
Dick penis. Dude, the animation is going off this time.
Bro, Denji's fucking wild.
How is he still standing?
Oh my god.
Bro. Okay, yeah, now you're done.
He still got 1 chainsaw. Or 2. No, just 1.
None. Maki.
He's
it.
got none.
Makima.
What about the dick saw? Bag.
Wow! Did I miss that?
Huh? What are you talking about?
I like that we're getting different angles of it too.
Oh yeah. No, out of the 3 enemies that came out, this is definitely my favorite one.
There it is.
Did I say that or I didn't say that?
Nah, you didn't. You said it's
Yeah,
number
it's-
2. You said Bleach was.
Yeah, it's definitely number 1 though.
Oh, shit!
Oh my god.
Oh, he's blocking though. Oh shit!
If I'm putting everybody onto an anime that doesn't watch anime, it's gonna be.
Oh! Dang!
Fucking
How
arm!
are you playing defense? How did you think you was gonna play defense? Of course he was gonna cut off something.
Who did this?
Mappa, yeah.
Nah, that's their best thing
Of
ever.
course he
Oh
cut off
my
something
God.
else too.
That shit looks so cool every time he does it. Oh,
Of course he cut off another arm. What?
Dude, he did him dusty
Nah,
musty.
Denji could beat him without those. You guys stop sleeping. Told y'all. I know Denji, bro.
The spirit of Poach though, bro. Yeah! Let's go! I blocked it, bitch!
Told you it's Denji.
He cut him. Bag! Whoa!
No, I told all y'all. I told y'all. Bro, Will freaking power!
And he has it in his feet now too.
Oh, what the fuck?
You trash! Hey, that's nasty. That's nasty. Very good stuff. That's cool as shit. There we go. Nice dodge though. He still has Denji being a hand-to-hand though, for sure. Oh no.
One more combo.
What's up, baby?
Imagine you trip on that particular spot, Denji slides right to you, and you're just like, oh, what? And he's just like a chainsaw-headed monster.
Oh shit, not good.
And in comes Katana Stan's crazy flash shit. Not again. Shishi Son Son again. Can we ban that move? It's a Street Fighter cheat code. Denji. My boy. My boy. Nah. Fuck your granddad. He sucked. True! Dumbass! He's doing the bullshit again! He goes for a fucking kick! Whoa! Shit.
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとな、バーカ。ジジイに教わらなかったか。獣が狩人の言葉信じ。